Welcome friends, welcome back to the Dirty Little Workshop. In this episode of our Model Maker's Hand plane, I'm going to heat treat the plane iron and polish it, sand all the sides, and add these little coffin corners on the blade. This is mainly for comfort, that's not necessarily, but when you grab it, it can tend to dig into your hand a little bit, so knock those off there. Now, a word of caution, what you're going to see is I'm going to do this with a MAPP torch, and that's not necessarily the preferred method. Ideally, we'd use a heat treat oven, get this to the precise temperature and heat it up. However, I've been doing this a long time, heat treating knives and other tools and stuff, and this is just quick. This is fast for me. I can judge colors, I understand the process, the heat, how it all comes together. So what you're going to see is when I start to heat treat this, I'm going to start from the middle, and you'll see that this edge here is going to delay getting up to heat, and that's ideal. That's what I want to happen. I don't want this to get hot fast and then burn and oxidize, because this part here isn't hot enough. So I'll start at the center. You'll see this side does not necessarily get up to temperature, and you may be able to see that by the color. That's fine. I don't necessarily need this side hard. I need this side hard, but more importantly, I need it evenly heated, evenly hard, up to about the point where this becomes basically useless. And that obviously that's going to take years to actually to sharpening and everything else to get this to the point where it's too short to actually be usable. But again, you'll see that, and then we'll polish all the sides, and I think what I'll also show is a little bit of my process for sharpening these planes. I made a jig that can be used on some diamond plates, and so I'll show a little bit of that as well. So enough talking. Again, let's get to it.